In the realm of home decor, there's a special joy in curating spaces that reflect our unique passions. For coffee enthusiasts like myself, a dedicated coffee bar is more than just a corner. It's a daily retreat into the world of aromatic blends and cozy moments. Join me on a journey as I share the process of creating a personalized DIY wood coffee bar sign that adds a touch of warmth and charm to my favorite nook. Click the link below to witness the crafting magic unfold. Watch the DIY wood coffee bar sign video here. Embracing the essence of coffee culture. As a coffee lover, I've always yearned for a space in my home that exudes the essence of coffee culture. A place where the rich aroma of freshly ground beans mingles with the warmth of wood, creating a haven for caffeine connoisseurs. The DIY wood coffee bar sign, featured in this video, became the centerpiece of my little coffee oasis. Crafting connection. Woodworking unveiled. In this video, I delve into the intricate process of crafting the coffee bar sign from scratch. From selecting the perfect wood to sketching out the design and bringing it to life with wood carving techniques, every step is an expression of passion and dedication. Woodworking isn't just a skill. It's a connection to the material that transforms a simple piece into a personalized masterpiece. Personalization elevates the experience. What makes this DIY project truly special is the element of personalization. The sign isn't just a decoration. It's a reflection of my love for coffee. From the carefully chosen font to the subtle coffee cup motif, every detail tells a story. Watch as I take you through the creative decisions that make this wood coffee bar sign uniquely mine. Linking creativity. Click below to explore the process. For those who share a love for woodworking and coffee, this video is an invitation to witness the synergy of these passions. The link below will transport you into the heart of my creative process, where wood, craftsmanship, and coffee converge to create a space that feels truly special. Rustic wooden shelves. Add a touch of rustic charm to your home with DIY wooden shelves. These versatile additions not only provide functional storage, but also serve as eye-catching displays for your favorite decor items. Experiment with different wood finishes or leave them in their natural state to showcase the raw beauty of the wood. Whether you're organizing your books, displaying plants, or showcasing collectibles, rustic wooden shelves are a simple yet effective way to enhance any room. Personalized wooden signs. Express your creativity and sentiments through personalized wooden signs. Whether it's a motivational quote, a family name, or an important date, crafting your own wooden signs allows you to customize your decor in a meaningful way. You can use various wood carving techniques, stencils, or even wood burning to achieve the desired effect. These personalized accents add a touch of warmth and nostalgia to your home, making it uniquely yours. Wooden plant stands. Bring the outdoors inside with DIY wooden plant stands. Elevate your favorite indoor plants to new heights, literally and figuratively, by creating stylish wooden plant stands. Experiment with different designs and heights to complement your existing decor. These stands not only showcase your green companions, but also add a touch of sophistication to any room. Wooden coasters with a twist. Upgrade your coffee table game with wooden coasters that boast a creative twist. From intricate wood inlays to personalized engraving, these functional pieces can become miniature works of art. Experiment with different wood species and finishes to match your style. Not only do they protect surfaces from unwanted moisture, but they also make for delightful and personalized gifts. These DIY wood home decor projects serve as a testament to the beauty and versatility of wood as a crafting medium. As a passionate woodworker, each project is an opportunity to showcase your skills, infuse personality into your living space, and create functional pieces that stand the test of time. So, grab your tools, unleash your creativity. Transforming a blank wall into a stunning focal point is easily achievable with wooden wall art. Whether it's a geometric pattern, a nature-inspired design, or a personalized creation, wooden wall art projects offer a unique way to infuse your personality into your living space. With a few basic tools and your favorite wood species, you can craft a masterpiece that not only speaks to your passion for woodworking, but also serves as a captivating conversation starter. As the video unfolds, you'll see how a simple piece of wood transforms into a symbol of joy and indulgence. Join me on this crafting journey, and let's celebrate the magic that happens when passion meets woodworking in the pursuit of creating a space that's uniquely ours.